So here's a modified version of your program. It now includes the last acquired calibrated sensor values, the last acquired raw sensor values. I'm now transmitting 9 calibrated measurements and 9 uncalibrated measurements. Not raw as in sensor raw, but oh wait, yes, sensor raw before any calibrations. I'm also keeping value averages from the buffer to get the gyro drift numbers. So I probably don't need to be averaging the accelerometer at all, or the magnetometer. I'm also got max and min sensor values from the buffer. That way you can capture, like currently it's got about 7,000 samples in the buffer. We have a button right here to reset the buffer, and what that allows me to do is slowly rotate the IMU until it's almost vertical on an axis, reset the buffer, and then slowly rotate it by hand to make sure I've determined minimums and maximums for the offsets and scale factors. Now, here's what's frustrating to me. It looks pretty good right now. It doesn't have very much yaw drift, but about every 5 seconds it's drifting a degree or so, which is confusing to me. I don't know why yaw would drift if the gyros have all zeros here. Magnetometer isn't doing anything, so I don't know why it's creeping. Maybe it'll eventually stop creeping, or maybe it'll creep back. I don't know. But I can't have a degree of drift every 5 seconds when I only have plus and minus 15 degrees of head movement. Let's see. Interesting thing here. Here's the IMU. If I rotate it like, watch. Here we're almost where it's rotating more than it should. Right now I'm approximately perpendicular. Oh man. Approximately perpendicular to the computer monitor. And look, I've only rotated it. It's like rotating twice as far as it should, and it's not drifting back. So I rotate this guy 90 degrees and the thing on the screen goes 180. Also, fast movements in pitch and roll will eventually drift back. So if somebody can please tell me why I'm an idiot and why everybody in the world can have a functioning unit and I'm sitting here banging my head into the wall. I'm probably just got the wrong idea on how to calibrate it, and I've been repeating the wrong method. It's kind of hard to get out of train tracks once you're in them. I probably am doing the magnetometer completely wrong. It's very frustrating. Been banging my head into the wall for, oh man, I think I bought my first sensor beginning of February, and I bought another one from Spark Fun just because I wasn't sure if the stupid thing was broken. I am very envious of success videos on YouTube at this point. Please help.